Hello guys, myself Kritika from Cubiksoft Technologies. I would like to share some of the updated informations in the civil department based on the softwares. So today let's go into the software called SketchUp, where the SketchUp software is mainly meant for creating 3D modeling for civil engineering, and also we can able to create many interior designing modules for the updated versions. So let me start with a simple introduction. So this is the SketchUp software, and when you just open it, it's in the version of 2021. And if you open this, you'll be having some sorts of meters, millimeters, centimeters, and all those things. So since we are civil engineers, we are just moving with feet and inches option. So I'm just going with architect inches. So kindly double click on it. So a screen will be opening like this. So it is a 3D viewing screen where we'll be having the menu bar and also the some of the toolbars. In the menu bar, basically everyone knows that in the file we'll be having new, open, save as, export and import all those options. And in edit we'll be having cut, copy, paste, and we can able to hide and we can able to make groups and create components, all such things. And in the viewing option, the main view was mainly meant for creating the toolbar. So in the toolbar, you can able to specify what are the toolbars is required for your model making. You can just select all those things and you can able to make a tool panel according to your requirement. And this is the camera fixing where you can able to zoom and pan, all those things can be done. And this is the drawing tool, the basic some of the drawing tools like line command and free line, all those things can be done. And this is the tool option where whenever we drew something, we make some kind of mistakes, or if we need to move or we need to rotate or scale, so we can able to use these kind of tool options for our creating a full clear model. And this is the window option where we'll be having the default tray, so where all the informations about the model can be shown in this default tray. And you can also able to set the units for your models, that is going to the window, just go to your model information. You can set the uniform, that is the input unit, as engineering, so it will be in the feet and inches. So just create an engineering option here and just give a close. So now your screen has got set, and let's go with a model like let me draw and show you some of the models by using a simple line command. So this is a line command, and if I'm just going with the line command, I need to place it on the top view, because even in the isometric view we can able to draw, but I'm just moving with the top view to make it a clear one. So for pan, you have to give shift and hold your mouse center button. So this is a view pan, and by using your line command, you can just provide the dimensions with your perfect dimensions. You can able to draw the model with proper dimensions. You can able to create your models. Okay, so I have just already created some of the basic model by using the software. Let me open it and show it to you. So this is one of the basic model which I have already done in this. So like this, you can able to create all such different kinds of models by using the SketchUp. I think this session could be an innovative one, and it could be an informative one for your career development. I request everyone to do the upcoming softwares and move on with the flourishing career development. Thank you.